Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market again. Yesterday we skipped analysis since nothing was going on here. But today this market has dropped. There's something we have to say. So in general, recent action on the gold market looks not very positive for bullish perspective, because in fact gold has cancelled preliminary bullish signs that we have discussed 2 weeks ago. So recall this triangle we said, as market has not reached the lower bottom and turns to the upside, this looks bullish, because usually market does this when upper breakout is very close, and it just confirms the strength of the market, that the sellers can't push market right to the lower border of the consolidation, and the bulls stop this downward action, reverse market and push it higher. But what has happened? Yes, market has turned up, but it was not able to pass through the 1360. These long tails. On the weekend we have discussed the grabber that has been formed here, and we said, well, this is the bearish sign, guys. Also market hasn't quite reached the upper border and wasn't able to let's call it taken out of this 1360 top to erase this long tails to the upside. That indicates the selling pressure that exists here. Instead of that, market drops. So it means that here we have the fourth leg inside of the triangle. First, second, third, fourth. On the fifth leg, usually we need to take market usually shows the breakout out of this triangle, but this leg could develop differently. For example, market could show minor upward bounce here and then drop lower. It's also possible. Or market could show the upward breakout, real upward breakout. But guys, in this action, it really shows the weakness of the market. Because as soon as market has formed bullish sign, reversed to the upside, and wasn't able to complete this bullish sign, it's indication to a sell-off here, and pairing of the grabber, taking out of these lows, so erasing this minor butterfly that was able to form here. This overall situation suggests that it's very probable that we could get the downward breakout here. Currently we don't have it yet, and theoretically the bullish setup is still valid, because recall what we have on the monthly chart here, or sorry, not on the monthly, on the weekly chart. Here we have the bullish grabber, and it's still valid since market currently still stands above these lows. Theoretically we also have the chance to get this butterfly to the upside, because market also stands above these lows. So both of these patterns will be erased if market will drop below 13 even area. Maybe the driving factor will become the speech of the Miss Yellen in Wyoming tomorrow, so it's very probable. And currently, guys, the gold market is so tricky that it's better to get the clear signs and the final direction before taking the position. Why? Because whatever action will happen either to the upside or to the downside, hardly this action will be very short term, especially to the downside. On the upside is still the question, because as I said, the speculative long positions are overloaded currently, so by the Committee of Traders report. But still, on the daily chart, this also will not be small action. If market will turn to the upside here at 1390 area, is more than the $70 per contract. It's a very significant distance. That's why we think that situation is so tricky right now in the gold market, and it's better to wait the clarity. Because as to the downside, so if market will break the 13 even, it will be really long journey to the downside, because this could become, we think that really could become the starting of the retracement that we have discussed and are discussing right now within the 2 recent months on the monthly chart. So our suggestion that market could drop as far as to 1160, 1180 area. This could be a really long-term significant retracement on the monthly chart. And breaking through the 13 even could lead to the chain reaction of the closing speculative long positions that will add fuel more to the downward action the sell-off, massive sell-off. The stops triggering also will add fuel to the more dropping. Since this is really very big distance down, we do not see any reasons trying to hurry and take the position in anticipation of this step, because the risk still exists that maybe Fed will announce will become more hawkish than it's really suggested by the investors right now, and it's still possible that market will grab the stops above this area, about 1370. That's gold market likes to do. Well, that's why we do not see any reasons with the anticipation of the possible drop. So you could try to take some minor probable position, but just limit your risk, because it will be very risky while market stands inside the triangle. Since market keeps valid both scenarios, it keeps valid the chance to drop, and currently it still keeps chances to show upward action since this low is still valid. That's our current view. In the very short-term perspective, today we do not expect any significant action. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, as you can see, market has dropped below this consolidation. So very classical breakout, minor retracement, failure to move in the second half, in the upper half of this consolidation, return right back down. As market wasn't able to reach this area, breakout has followed. Something of that sort we have expected in this triangle, guys. But this action really looks very bearish, and it has cancelled a major idea of the possible upward breakout. Here is what this just indicates how it could happen. So while market has failed to reach the opposite border, usually it shows the direction in this breakout. So right now market has shown the breakout and has completed this A, B, C top 100% target. So minor retracement or retesting of this area probably could happen. On the hourly chart we see that this area will be 1330, 1335, this confidence resistance and natural support resistance lows. So maybe till the today's session and tomorrow, until the press conference will start, the statement will start, market could show minor retracement in preparation for Yellen's speech in Wyoming. So that's all that we could say right now on the gold market. So we call you to not take any significant steps right now, do not take any position, because whatever breakout will happen, wherever action will happen, this will bring first clarity, second this will be a very significant distance, and you will be able to take the position just in a more clear situation.